So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first come on this website www.gigabyte.com and then you can see this is search. Okay, then enter model number of motherboard H310 and then hit enter. So you can see H310, this motherboard series is 81 products, all the installations process same, no worry. Then click on the product. Okay, like that. Then click off the title, click after that support, select operating system which is using Windows 10, 11, both of installations methods same. So see audio driver, and first this is audio driver, and let's try to latest. Okay, so click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. When you complete it, then open it, and double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is first extract, and after that install it. So it will, guys, this is installation window, so if it will close automatically means this is installed. So guys, this is install and then close it. Chipset. So first is one Intel NF installer. So click to download. So it is completed. After the single click to open, then double click to open, and then you can see this is set up. So run. Then click on yes, and then next, accept, install. Then click to OK and then close it. You can also try this, and this is also try it. Okay, wait. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. Click to download. It will start downloading. When it is completed and show, just open it and double click to launch, and then yes. So LAN driver, after install, close it, means this is installed. VGA driver. So you can see this is graphic VGA driver, and click to download. So it is completed. Just open, go to this open, then double click on VIC64. Then this is installer, so double click and then click on run. then click on yes. Then click to bring install. So install and then click next, and then next to install, and after that all completed, then restart your system.